Hello, I'm RAVEEN son of KRISHNAN. I'm here to present the report of a new product which is from WCFR company named Smart Table. This is our organizational chart of WCFR company. I am RAVEEN son of KRISHNAN as a CEO of this company, and we have CHU ZI HUAO technician of WCFR company, and YASMIN as a production manager, KUAN as finance manager. So this is the task distribution we have. For the project introduction, I will explain about it. For the project context diagram, KUAN will explain about it. For the project DFD level 0, me again, sorry. Project DFD level 1 for process A. This is the main part of this report because it will explain about the main features of our smart table. So this part will be explained by CHU ZI HUAO and YASMIN. And the last, finally, the system potential will be explained by KUAN. So here we go. This is about the introduction of our project. This report will demonstrate the details of our product by displaying the DFD and context diagram of our smart table. The characteristics of our product are also clearly displayed in this report. In addition, we designed the whole interface flow utilizing 8 user design guidelines. This is to avoid users being irritated while using our product. Here we have project DFD level 0 of our smart table. This is the diagram, and I will explain a little bit about this diagram. First, we have student and computer as an entity, and some processes, which is screen, camera, speaker, projector, and so on, and data, input data, battery. So if the student touch the screen, the computer automatically detect the touch and it will run the camera, speaker, projector. So if the battery is low, the computer also detect the percentage of the battery, and it will it will interact with the solar system and will get energy back from solar system to produce energy for our smart table. This is where we apply our green technology. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Wong from class TTT4C. Now I will briefly explain about our context diagram for the smart table. In here, we have our smart table software for the main key and also other entities include the sensor, educator, smart table, and the student. Now, let me talk about how is the educator communicate with our smart table software. The educator can create all the activities from the smart table software, and on the other side, the smart table software provides also all the learning resources to the educator, such as notes, videos, music, and so on. Then, how support the smart tables and the students? The students can use all the notes from the screen of the smart table. And after the smart table sends the perform of the student, it will request to the smart table software, which is the student needs to access the notes on the screen. Then the smart table software will send the request to the sensor, which is a touch sensor, so that the student can access and touch in and view the notes from the screen. After the sensor receives all the things, all the information from the software, then it will respond back to the software, and the software will perform to the smart table. And lastly, the smart table will display all the information that needs to the students, such as the notes. And this is how is our context diagram performs for the smart table.
Hi, my name is NURFARISYA. Now I will present about input, output, and devices. Our input is the user data that has been saved after the user log in into the smart table tool, and the data we save in PHP My Admin. Next, our output is the home page. This is our home page. It will be the output because our smart table will display the home page if the user log in into this smart table to successful. Finally, our smart table is one of our devices. There are many numerous applications for the smart table. Next, I will present 5 element control in our interface. Next, I will present 5 control elements in our interface. First, notification. Can see any message or reminder there. Second is search field. Can search any notebook that user want. Third is toggle button. Can go next or previous page. Fourth is drop down button. And lastly is dialog box. This is a message if the battery is low and ask user whether they want continue using the solar energy or not. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, here is CHU ZI HUAO, and I will continue to the presentation about the interface with the at least 5 type of the 8 user interface design guideline. So here we have 5. So we can see we have the provide feedback to user, create an interface that is easy to run and use, extend user productivity, create an adaptive layer and design, and last is make it easy for user to often help of correct errors. So number 1, we will talk about that we have created an interface that easy to run and use, because here we can see we have provided the menu bar on the left side, and there are many choices for the user to use. So user can choose a lot of functions they want, such as smart notebook, recorder, video player, keyboards, calculator, control planners, and all of this function is helping the user in the education. So number 2, we'll talk about the extend user productivity. So we see that we got the search bar. So user can use this to get the information or search the information in the short time. Then all the menu are placed on the left hand side frame, and middle frame focus on the function user have chosen, such as the smart notebook, and open the ebook they want to read. So number 3, we have make it easy for user to often help of correct errors. We can see at the bottom right side have the icon help. So the help button can let your user get help if they have facing problem or issue when they are using the smart table. After click this button, user will be bringing to the website. We have info and guideline to solve the problem faced by the users. So number 4, we have provide feedback to users. So they will have the alert message, and we can see as here. They will have an alert message when the smart table is low of battery, and have the alert bot to come up and ask you want to use the solar energy or not. So this is the feedback to the user. And the last, we can see we use the familiar terms and images. We can see the color of the icon battery will show the red color because it's the low battery. Then when the battery is show the green color, that means the battery of system is good. Then this function will tell the user about the status battery of system and choose use the solar energy or not if the battery is low. Next, I will continue to the interface with 3 type of the validation check. So this is the login page. So we have approved the 3 type of validation. Number first is file validation. So user are required to enter their username and password to log in. If there are one field is not being filled in, user is not allowed to use the system. So number 2 is the RAM validation. When the user creates the password, so the password length should be between 8 to 15 characters. If user enter below 8 characters or more than 16 characters, then user will not be allowed to log in to use the system. Last, we have applied the numeric validation. So there is a format check for a check determine whether or not data entered in a field or a text box has a numeric values and alphabetic values or an alphanumeric values. For example, password that we suggest is the lion combined with the capital letter of C and then combined with the lowercase letter of HU1088. So this type of the password is strongly and can protect the privacy of the user.
A smart table has few potential values that can overcome some challenges of study in the future. First and foremost, smart tables can bring out more joyful to the kids when they study by using it. Thus, this may help students to have an effective learning while exploring and playing with smart table. Besides, we believe that our smart tables is a newborn baby in technology field. This may make a large changes to the traditional way of study in the worldwide. Moreover, new technology and a new learning system can make more possibility to the future of new generation. They can think how they could think about it and make their imaginations appear on the screen. In here, I have to briefly explain about our potential user include public use areas such as hospital, bank, and so on. They may use it for any business affairs and others. Besides, smart tables also suitable for any project discussion in industry field. To summarize, this smart table is beneficial to both students and teachers. It also includes some green technology appetizers as well as prospective user advantages. In recent literature, interactive technology in education has received a lot of attention. This product is designed to investigate the feasibility of developing a smart tables for all the students and instructors. This smart table also has a variety of interface options that are appropriate for education systems. And that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.